Good afternoon, students. Today we will start application for a job with resume. At some point of time, each one of us will have to apply for a job. Now, job applications are usually written in response to advertisements, right? A job application has two parts. One is the covering letter and the other part is the biodata to be sent along with the covering letter. So let's take a question. Our question is, you came across an advertisement in the Times of India for the post of PGT in English in RKD School, Bengaluru. Write an application to the principal with your complete resume. Okay, now we have to write a letter, or you can say an application to the principal as well as the biodata. Fine. So let's start with the letter. First of all, sender's address. No name or sender's address is given. So you can write your own. You can invent your own address. 48 Shahbag, Bengaluru. Right? Then comes the date. Date is let's take 12th March 20x6. Fine. Then the principal, we are writing the letter to a principal. Principal, RKD School, Bengaluru. Then sir. Subject, what is the subject? Application. for the post of PGT English. This is the subject. Now leave one line with reference to your advertisement. With reference to your advertisement in the Times of India, dated 11th March 20XX. I wish to apply for the post of PGT in your school. Fine. For the post of PGT in your school. Now next paragraph. I assure you that if employed, means if I will be employed in your school, I will work. I assure you that if employed, I will work sincerely, responsibly, and with full devotion for the betterment and development of your school. I have enclosed herewith my resume with this letter. Thanking you. Yours, because you are writing an application to the principal, so you can write yours faithfully. You can write, otherwise you can use sincerely or truly. Any name given? No name was given, so you can write any name. Say Meera Sharma. Fine. So this is the letter. Write enclosure, resume. Fine. the resume you have enclosed with the letter. You have to write like this. Yours faithfully, Meera Sharma, enclosure, resume. Now we'll start writing the biodata. Biodata. Name, first of all your name, Meera Sharma. Then father's name, Mr. Pradeep Sharma. Then age, you can put this here, it will be fine, no use of putting this here. Age is 28 years. Then address, it should be the same, right? 48 Shahbag, Bengaluru. Shahbag, Bengaluru. Fine. Then nationality, Indian. Then language known, English, Hindi. You may write any other language, say German. Fine. Then your hobbies. You can write any hobby, reading or cooking, I can write. Then comes education. Now in education you have to go according to the job. When it comes for the teacher's job, then obviously you have to write from class 10th, right? You have to mention from class 10th. 10th, CBSE board with 89%. St. Joseph School. Fine. Then 12th, again CBSE board with 86%, again St. Joseph School. Then your BA English, Joseph College, with first division, then your MA English, again Joseph College, you can write any other name, with first division. Now professional qualification, B.Ed from Singhania University with first division. See, this everything you have to invent by your own according to the post you are applying for, right? Now this qualification you can even make a box, right? And you can make 4 columns. First is for class, second for board or university, and then the college, and then percentage of the marks. Even you can write this in a box. That is up to you. Fine. Now after professional qualification, experience. Have been teaching English in St. Flowers School, for 4 years, right? Now after experience, reference. Now why it is important to write reference? Means you are giving reference of 2 people, right? And if the school or the organization wants to ask anything related to your character or anything about you, they can easily talk to these personalities. Okay? 2 references should be given. Number 1, Mr. Tarun Shah, head of English department. Fine. You can write DEP department. Number 2, second reference is Dr. say Prempal, Department of Cardiology. Okay, cardiology. So this biodata is done. So in this application for a job with resume, we have to write an application. Then after this, a complete biodata giving all the information related to your personality, related to your qualification, and related to everything that is needed for this post. Fine. So this is